Hey everyone, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's shout out goes to Madhurima. Thank you so much for your lovely comment this week. If you want to check me out on other social media platforms, here are all the links. Can you see the happiness on my face? I have not been this excited for a video since a long time. Basically, after I think now 2 years, I went to Sarojini and oh my god, like I now मतलब वहाँ जाके realize हुआ that oh my god, I was missing this so much from my life. अभी भी I was a little bit skeptical because of COVID and everything, and even now I would highly recommend you also go on a weekday at 11 a.m. peak. That's what I did. I reached exactly at 11 a.m. and by the time I left around 1 p.m. it had started to get crowded, but I urgently needed some stuff from Sarojini and I thought कि video भी बनाते हैं. So many people must be craving Sarojini and what it's like now, what's the situation after COVID, what's the latest summer collection. So before we get any further, let me just walk you through the market.
Alright, so as usual, Sarojini was bustling with all different kinds of vendors, clothing, apparel, decor, little things here and there, and prices starting as low as 100. Usually in these racks, the prices are low as 100 to 250, and then the prices gradually increase. So, talking about summer, it was filled with tons of options. These quad sets, for example, were starting for ₹200, and you also had statement tops right there. One of my favorite categories is usually jewelry, and as usual, Sarojini was filled with it. So many different color options is what I really liked. Gold jewelry, silver jewelry. Next thing, my favorite thing that I noticed was clothing all over. Dresses, floral prints, jumpsuits, shirts, blouses. Everything was super nice, super colorful, super bright. And you even had these pajama sets which were really popular again. And yes, this bhaiya was a proposer. So apart from that, couple of different accessories, belts, bags. I will be showing this outlet more in detail later. I've bought 2 things from here, so stay tuned at the end for the haul. But I love the collection going on. So many trendy pieces, so many ethnic trendy pieces as well.
Okay, now let's come to the best part, that is the haul. इतने टाइम बाद, like I feel so good. Okay, before we move in the video, I want to just highlight a couple of things. Firstly, मैंने उतना नहीं bargain किया जितना you can usually do in Sarojini. Whatever prices you're going to see in this video, you can, if you bargain more, you can easily get ₹50 off on them more. But I have stopped honestly bargaining at street markets and like from local vendors. Like a lot of people are like कि हाँ quality ऐसी है तो you know थोड़ा bargain करना चाहिए. But from the street vendors, for me, I think 50-100 rupees के पीछे I don't want to bargain. I would rather give it to them than give it to like a bigger website. So just a disclaimer, just something that I wanted to put out. And second thing, please if you're going to Sarojini, carry a big tote bag or like some kind of bag with you. Her shop से you buy something and for every little thing they give you a polythene, like a plastic polythene. So instead just carry a big bag and fit you know all those clothes in there. So ये हो गए मेरे disclaimers. Now is the fun part. Let's finally get into the products because I'm dying to show you some of them. So we have some great pieces, some great bags, some great tops, some great jewelry pieces, but I think instead of category wise, let's just go random. Let me just pick up the first thing I find and let me show you. Okay, so this is the first top. Oh my god, so cute. Now, as I said in the clips, that summer wise the collection is there. Lots of tops option, lots of blouses, and it was perfect because that is what I am into these days. So this was in fact the first piece that I picked up. पूरा ऐसे ruffled है, the entire you know front area. It is a little bit cropped and then again such exaggerated sleeves. And then piche, the back is also like square and you have a little tie-up at the back which is really cute. So I am like very happy and I love the color. थोड़ा peachish है, थोड़ा red के hints है. and just all over floral patterns. So yeah, super duper happy with this one. Okay, next, this was again something that I showed in the clips. These quad pajama sets, like ye quad wale sets were everywhere, mostly for rupees 200 for each pair. So I picked up two. One is this really nice navy blue kind of color with all over white embroidery, and iske sath you have a pair of matching shorts. So this is what that looks like. I thought summers ke liye, you know, just on an everyday basis, it'll be a really good option. A really nice just pajama set. Super cute, goes very well together, and so cheap. And also iska material is like good, like obviously it has a lining inside, then this, you know, fabric, and niche puri trim detailing hai. So I was like, that's pretty good. The next quad set I got similarly is this one. So again, sleeveless and this embroidery all over, thodi like ruffling detailing, and iske sath the shorts super nice. This is what they look like. Not very short, like this was a nice good thing in the quad sets ki ekdam short shorts bhi nahi thi. Really nice for the summers just to lounge around in, and the quality guys is super good. Again, obviously isme bhi lining hai, but you know, for 200 rupees to get this kind of a nice thing which will at least last you one season is pretty good, is why people love Sarojini. Okay, let's move into some fun stuff. So as I said, tops, blouses, like literally everything on point. There is a trend going on of ruching, ruffling, statement blouses, puffed sleeves, and wo sab kuch tha. I was super impressed this time. So this is the next one. It is a very nice like powder blue color, no in fact blue color, sky blue color, and so many details going on in this one. तो front पे ऐसी पूरी like पहले तो ruffles है, and then back पे there's this entire ruching detailing, so it's obviously a little bit elasticy and stretchable, and then the rest of the top is made up of this almost like mesh, you know, fabric with again little embroideries. The cuffs में इतनी सारी detailing है. Again, there's a ruching thing here, and so overall like such a great find in what 200 rupees. Okay, taking a break from clothing, this like thing is this bag I'm going to show you. It's impeccable. This is what the bag looks like. Oh my god. First of all, fake crocodile print all over, gold detailing, has a wallet with it. So you have एक single pocket का wallet again with gold detailing, and इसको detach कर सकते हैं. Then this handle like पूरा crumbled up in that again fake crocodile skin print. So इसको open करते हैं. You have one single pocket. You have इसके साथ the belt. You have a single pocket inside as well. I was so impressed, and the best part is these kind of like fabrics कभी-कभी cheap लग सकते हैं अगर best quality की ना हो. This can easily sell in Zara 2000 तक का, like it's so nice. Love the shape, ऐसी trapezium shape है. So from the same shop, let me show you the second thing I got. So from the same shop, I got this sling bags. Now again, these shoulder bags are like so much trend. ये 80s 90s वाले vibes वाले, they are back. And again, they were all over Sarojini, available in all different kinds of colors, sizes. Like this का छोटा version था, बड़ा version था. So I finally picked up this one. Again, fake crocodile print all over. Honestly, मैं color लेने से थोड़ा सा डर रही थी because I did not know like what exactly I would pair this up with. तो मैं कहीं ना कहीं end of the day neutrals के साथ ही गई हूँ, but there were like colorful options available as well. So एक side पे you have like belt, like ये पूरा handle है और end में थोड़ा सा ऐसे chain है. Once you open this, this is very spacious. Like काफी space है इसमें. It's a single compartment with a zipper right here. Okay, so now coming to their price point. This was the first shop I went to जहाँ पे मैंने ये bag spot किए, and I was super excited. I thought आगे जाके price check करते हैं, but he quoted me around 700 for this one and 500 for this one. तो around 1200 का total आया, and अभी I hadn't gone into further shops. तो he said कि no, this is the minimum. This is what these bags are selling for. And ये वाला तो मुझे लेना ही लेना था. So I bargained like 1100 for both of them, and he agreed. But आगे जाके this sling bag was available for 350 rupees. So just a little thing. This though I definitely feel 700 was worth paying for. Now the best part is that this guy had an Instagram page, and I will put the link down in the description box. They shipped the products as well. It was a huge outlet for bags, so I will as it is have the shop number for all of these products. But this specific bags, you can, no matter what, अगर आप दिल्ली के नहीं भी हो, you can shop it. I'll put his Instagram link in the description box. Okay, next I have 4 ethnic products to show you. So this is the first pair of earrings. So pretty. They are all over like that hand painted colored kind of a vibe, and पूरे white है. You have मतलब इस पे, this is like a crown. I just noticed कि इस पे peacock का ऐसे head बना हुआ है, so it resembles a peacock का like face. And then beautiful kind of, you know, ऐसे rectangle just falling down with little drop detailings. So detailed. These hand painted jhumkas are expensive. They start from 150 usually. This one I got for rupees 100, and I am absolutely in love. And white है, literally कितने चीज़ों के साथ match हो सकते हैं. Again, बहुत colors में available थे. Now similarly I picked up an ethnic bag. मेरे को इसकी शेप इतनी यूनिक लगी. आई डू नॉट हैव समथिंग लाइक दिस एट ऑल. पहले वो पोटलीज थी, सो नाउ दे आर आउट ऑफ ट्रेंड, सो दिस इज़ अ नाइस न्यू पीस. सो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग शेप. अगेन पूरा गोल्ड का लाइक हैंडल, एंड एज यू ओपन इट अप you have 2 pockets, tons of space, a zipper in the middle, and you have a chain also इसके साथ. And again, this is in a really nice maroon color. पूरा embroidery, embellishments. पीछे भी it has tons of embellishments. I missed Sarojini. Okay, next I was looking for a simple plain gold blouse, because gold blouse हर साड़ी के पास match कर लेता है, and I did not have like a simple one. तो दिस इज़ वॉट आई फाउंड. अब सरोजनी में थोड़े से शॉप्स भी हैं, एंड वहाँ पे यू गेट फ्यू ऑफ दीज स्टिच्ड ब्लाउजेस. सो आई फाउंड दिस स्लीवलेस वन, पूरा ऑल ओवर डिटेलिंग्स. काफ़ी ऑप्शंस थे इस शॉप में, एंड इट्स नॉट योर ब्राइट गोल्ड, इट्स लाइक द कॉपर गोल्ड विच विल गो विद अ लॉट मोर थिंग्स अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. एंड रियली नाइस डीप बैक, सिंपल डोरी इज, एंड little bit of tassel detailing. थोड़ा सा है like जैसे यहाँ पे you have these fluffs and stuff like that. It's not the best finished, but I urgently needed a simple gold blouse. Okay, another pair of earrings. ये भी थोड़े Indian kind of touch में है. So pretty. This is what they look like. So again, kind of peacock shaped, and इस time पूरा ऐसे detailing. Like I don't even want to describe it. Like you can just see and admire this all day. I want it in a really different color, like a parrot green. With little मतलब रेड के हिंट्स भी है बीच बीच में. सो स्टनिंग, सो प्रिटी. ज्वेलरी शॉपिंग तो मैंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा मिस करी है सरोजनी की. सो मेनी ऑप्शन, सच अ बर्स्ट ऑफ कलर्स वंस यू सी दैट एंटायर यू नो डिस्प्ले. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज अ टॉप आई वांट टू शो यू. सो दिस इज व्हाट द टॉप लुक्स लाइक. अगेन ये वाले रफलिंग वाले, रूशिंग वाले बहुत है इन trend. So I found this purple one. Now this was available in lots of different lengths. तो ये थोड़ा क्रॉप्ड वाला है एक्चुअली. तो इससे एक फुल लेंथ भी था, एंड देन एक उससे काइंड ऑफ ड्रेस टाइप में भी दिस सेम फैब्रिक वाज देयर, द सेम स्टाइल वाज देयर. सो आई वेंट फॉर द क्रॉप्ड वन विद मे बी हाई वेस्टेड जीन्स और समथिंग लाइक दैट. एंड ब्यूटिफुल लैवेंडर कलर. अगेन यहाँ पे स्कफ्स पे डिटेलिंग है, ट्रांसपेरेंट स्टेप्स, तो इट्स एन ऑफ शोल्डर बेसिकली, एंड पूरी वो मैच डिटेलिंग जाती है. Super duper happy, such a bright happy color for the summer, and I will be styling these super duper soon. Okay, next. This again, so much in trend, so overpriced everywhere. So I found the ये है Bottega Veneta का rip off version. They have these cloth bags basically, and now people have started to replicate it. So काफी outlets पे आ गया है ये. So this is what it looks like. I went for some kind of color, so I went for this yellowish mustard. पूरी gold detailings. You also have a handle, but actually इस bag की feel is with just this gold chain and the bag, and then पूरा cloth bag. It squishes, and you have one pocket inside and 2 छोटी zippers भी हैं inside. Really nice. This again was available in 2-3 varieties. तो this one I got is for rupees 600. इसका एक बड़ा version भी था for 1000 तक का, इसका एक छोटा version भी था 500 तक का. But 500-600 में in Sarojini you can expect this, and online these are easily selling for 1200-1300 minimum. Okay, next a PJ set I got. तो वो सब तो थोड़े ऐसे summer easy breezy थे. Then there were lots of like proper night suits. अब उनकी quality, like night suits में I need the most best quality ever. और किसी में कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो या ना हो. तो I was avoiding it until end में I spotted this pajama set. So this is the pajama, पूरा grey color with polka dots. यहाँ पे you have this strap like elastic, almost elastic तो है नहीं, ऐसे ही actually. It has a half sleeved पूरा t-shirt with again polka dots, and इसका comparatively quality, it's still not obviously like top notch, but in 200 to find this nice comfortable, ठीक है cotton blend है, but it's nice. Now something similar to that lavender top I just showed were these kind of tops. So this is the second variation of that lavender top कि ऐसे पूरा full length और बीच में ऐसे elastic detailing, and again off shoulder, has these transparent straps. Under it has like a peach lining and then this yellow spring nice summery mesh on it, and इसके ऊपर पूरे sunflowers बने हुए हैं on this mesh, and again ऐसी rooftop up sleeves. थोड़ा different है, थोड़ा it makes me excited for this summer a lot, so I thought it will be a good option. Okay, next is this pair of jewelry. So this is what it looks like. Complete mirror, 3-layered choker और नीचे भी like tassels है mirror के, and then matching earring set. So pretty. Again ये थोड़ा सा neutral है तो किसी भी Indian outfit के साथ चल जाएगा. And this set was for ₹150. सिर्फ choker was available for ₹100. Also guys, the quality of the jewelry, सरोजनी का वन सीजन तो इट विल लास्ट फॉर श्योर, अनलेस कोई बहुत ही डिफेक्टिव पीस है एंड वन एम्बेलिशमेंट फॉल्स ऑफ या फिर कुछ टूट जाए, देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी. सेकंड सीजन थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है चलाना, बट वन सीजन तो दीज प्रोडक्ट्स डू लास्ट. देन ज्वेलरी में आई ऑलवेज गो फॉर दिस स्टॉल विच हैज ₹30 के इयरिंग्स. लाइक काफ़ी स्टॉल्स पे ₹30 का सेक्शन होता है विच इज़ द बेस्ट सेक्शन एवर. वहाँ से तो आई ऑलवेज एंड अप पिकिंग समथिंग और द अदर. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज दिस वन, थोड़ा सिल्वरिश को छोड़ के ये पूरा सीशल वाला वाइब, काइंड ऑफ बीची वाइब जब भी बीच वेकेशन पे जाओ. एंड सो ये पूरे हूप्स है, इट्स लाइक अ नाइस हूप एंड सी शेल्स ऑल अराउंड. एंड इन द सेकेंड पेयर इन ₹30 आर दीज वंस. तो दिस हैज़ पूरा मिरर लाइक स्ट्रेट एंड देन झुमकी नीचे. सो डिफरेंट, सो नाइस, सो pretty. I could stare at this all day. I think मैं थोड़ी ज़्यादा ही obsessed हो रही हूँ with these items. And then the last 30 में is again something in mirror. तो it has a large mirror and then these spiky things नीचे tassels. So this is what they look like, and it's not a big very statement thing. It'll still match with so many outfits. And now I think it's the last product. Sadly, I am very sad that this is ending. Last product is a little bit different. It is this white dress. सो दिस हैज़ लॉट्स ऑफ एलिमेंट्स. जो टॉप है ये पूरा ऐसे क्या कहते हैं, ऐसे एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड नेट वाला मटेरियल है, स्लीवलेस, स्ट्रैपी, एंड एज यू गो डाउन यू हैव दिस इंटायर वेरी प्रिटी समरी रफलिंग लेस गोइंग ऑन, एंड ये पूरा नीचे जाता है, विच आई थॉट वॉज वेरी प्रिटी. ये थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव था, इट वॉज फॉर अराउंड ₹500, बट आई थॉट कि इसमें काफ़ी कुछ हो रहा है, काफ़ी कुछ हैवी फैब्रिक्स हैं इसमें, सो आई थॉट कि ठीक है. एंड दिस वॉजंट अवेलेबल इन लॉट्स ऑफ शॉप्स, so I thought let's go for it. And this completes our Sarojini Nagar haul video. Very sad. Honestly, I don't even know कि मैं फिर से सरोजनी जाऊँगी या नहीं जाऊँगी, just because of COVID. काफ़ी क्लोज्ड एरिया में काफ़ी सारे लोग हो सकते हैं. लेट्स सी, लेट्स होप द सिचुएशन गेट्स बेटर ताकि सरोजनी कैन बी अ रेगुलर थिंग. एंड आई थिंक आई विल एंड दिस वीडियो हियर. ड्रॉप डाउन व्हाट प्रोडक्ट योर्स योर फेवरेट. आई लिटरली वांट टू हियर. आई थिंक 2-3 तो बहुत अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स थे, सो आई वांट टू हियर कि विच वन वॉज योर highlight of the entire video. And any other ideas, suggestions, feedback, comments as usual you have, please drop them down in the comments box. I'll talk to you guys there, and I shall see you very soon with a Fashion Friday video.